Jerusalem, Jerusalem.
Excuse me. Let's keep it moving.
What are you doing? Why are you bringing food through here?
I'm taking to the market. This is a shortcut.
This is a place to worship the Father, not a shortcut.
Let me through.
No.
Let me through.
Turn around and go back. Now.